So I want to say I am learning sign language. Sign language. Yeah. Yes. So this is the hammock. Yeah. Oh. Oh, I've never been on a hammock before. Okay, I don't know how to get. Oh, it's so sandy. At the beach house. Hey. Oh, it's actually pretty comfortable. So cute. Oh wow. Go. Okay. Whoa. Wow, that's so beautiful. So pretty. Pretty. So hi guys. So this is Sabina's cousin. Sabina's cousin. And yeah, we talk in sign language. Do you want to introduce yourself? Just yeah, and I'm learning sign language. What is it sign? I forgot. So I want to say I am learning sign language. Sign language. Yeah. Yes. So this is what we're writing.
There is an entrance fee of 20.
Oh my god! Wow! Wow! Yeah. Wow! So beautiful! Wow! Wow, I've never seen rocks with like stripes on them. Wow! Guys, check it out. The water is so blue here. It's so beautiful. These kids. Us! Yay! So we're going up this bridge. Hey! Oh wow!
Okay, you go ahead.
Oh, it's not too shaky. Okay, it's shaky. Got to the end. Oh, you're right behind me. Yeah, whichever is fine. I like eating with my hands actually. Is this surf? Is this surf? Surf? Yay, we're going surfing now, you guys. This is where we're gonna be surfing.
Lahat ng mga baba, tulad doon sa ilang Baler. Tapos mga transient.
Hotel place. It's like full of little quotes here. And
Cambodia.
we're at the backside of a motorcycle. Yay. so good. Okay. The view here is perfect. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. So we're here having dinner. Yay!